Hi guys, welcome back to Lauren the Amazing. I'm Lauren, welcome back. And today, this is the most exciting video I've probably ever done. I am going to be unboxing fidget toys! Oh my gosh, guys, I've gotten into a fidget toy space. So here you guys get the first peek. And let's reach our hand in and see what we get. Oh my gosh. In the world. Look at all this stuff. Okay, so we're going to start opening these last because I want to open these last. Actually, let's open them first. So here we have the Trimple Dimple. I'm really excited to open that, but first I'm going to open the Poppet. So let's just baby open. I need to get some scissors. Hold on, guys. I'll be back. So, guys, I have the scissors. Now I'm just going to cut this open. Okay. Perfect. Whoa, this Poppet is so beautiful. Now, let's test it out. Oh my gosh, it's like a really good Poppet. And I love the popping noise, and it's easy to pop. Let's see if this side's easy to pop. Oh my gosh, this is a really good Poppet. This is like the best one I have, I think. Wow, okay. Next. I don't know why I did this. Next. We have the Trimple Dimple. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to open this guys. Oh, and they put it extra. Okay, here's the Trimple Dimple. It's like a real simple dimple. Oh my gosh, this is so good. Okay, also I'm going to rate these. I rate this one a 10 out of 10 because it's really high quality and it's easy to pop on both sides. And I rate this Trimple Dimple a 10 out of 10. It's super cool. I mean, this side is pretty hard to pop. But no, it's not that hard. So this is also a 10 out of 10. It's like a regular simple dimple. Okay, now we're going to open this big bag of things. Let's stitch all that stuff over and open it. Whoa, guys. Look at all this stuff. So I'm going to reach in and pull something out. I got my basketball stress ball. It's very hard, but it's a fidget toy. I rated it a 6 because I actually kind of like it. Next, we're going to open the mochis. They're so cute. So we have 3 mochis. No, 4 mochis. 5 mochis. I got a lot of mochis. Or the rest of them. Okay, there's one more. So, here we have this mochi. Okay. Oh, guys, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. It's so cute. I've never had any of these fidgets before, except for the Poppet. I have a million Poppets in the back of this ball. Oh my gosh, I love it. It's so cute. Okay, next. Oh, a starfish. These are like really good. And there's more mochis that they said they would have, so I like this. This is high quality. Okay, then we have this mochi. Starfish. Now let's open another one. Okay, let's see. Also, this is a Lauren video, like, no help. Ooh, I like this one because you can squeeze it better. But here's this one, and it's a little hedgehog. So cute. And then last but not least, we have the turtle. Well, it might not be last. There might be another one. Here's a turtle. It looks so cute. So we're going to put that aside. Oh, there's 2 of the same ones. But let's open another one. Okay. I'm so happy I got my fidgets. Look at this. They're so cute. I rate these a 9 out of 10 because they're fun to play with. And I especially like these 2 because they're textured. And they're easier to squeeze. This one. This is my favorite one. I rate them a 10 out of 10. Next. Oh my gosh. I'll do this. Okay. This is like a marble cube thing. I don't know. I'm not gonna do this, but there's different sides to do it on, so that is pretty cool. And it has a little cage head. Here we have mini monkey noodles. Let's get rid of all this trash and let's set up all the stuff so you can see it. No turtle. So here's all the stuff I've opened so far. Actually, no, it's not, but yeah. There's a lot of stuff, so I might not be able to get all of it in a shot. Now I'm going to open my number 2 noodles. Let's open them. How do I open them? Oh my gosh, look at this. I love the texture and how far they stretch. Look at this. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. 10 out of 10. Next, we're going to do the infinity cube. I've never had an infinity cube before, but I've always been trying to make them, and I love it. There's 2 of them, actually. But yeah, I like them. I love them, actually. This one's easier, so I rate this one a 10 out of 10 and this one an 8. Like, okay. Next, I was really excited to get my Poppet and my Triple Dimple the most, so. Okay, next we have Pop Tubes. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. And there's another one. And then you have to like do this to get it back. Guys, I love them, and I was really excited to get them. And you can connect them together like this. Well, I don't know how to connect them together. Okay, yeah, they are. Well, we're gonna put these up to the side. Oh, 1 second. Look. I love them. I love all of them. 10 out of 10. Oh, and here's some other monkey noodles also. Next, I'm going to do the applicant rings. Look. Oh, I like the texture it has on my hands. Oh my gosh, I love it. 10 out of 10. I love everything. Here. Okay, next we have my marble and meshes. We have a yellow one, a red one, and a blue one. I rate these a 10 out of 10. I actually like playing with marble meshes, and they're very cheap, so yeah. Next, oh, we have another one. There's also a green one. Oh, and here's another pincher ring. Yeah, if you were wondering. I'm very pumped about this. Here's my pea in the pod. Come on, come out. Look. You have to use a lot of force to push these out. Like, you have to push, and my hands are really greasy right now, so they're hard to push out. But they're pretty cool, so I give it an 8. It's very quiet. I'm going to do my wacky tracks. I have other wacky tracks. These are pretty cool. At first, wacky tracks don't really make that much noise until you keep playing with them. And I don't have this color, so I completed my collection on colors. 10 out of 10. They're fun to play with. Like, super duper. Here we have my bike chains. Ooh, I like this, actually. Like, you flip it inside out like that. And it's cool, and it's like an illusion. I rate this a 10 out of 10. I love it. Okay, and that last but not least, not my wacky tracks, my snakes. You can make like shapes with them, and like, wow. And it's a click and snap fidget toy, as people call it, but it's a snake. And if you want to, it's kind of like a Rubik's Cube because you have to solve it, but it's not a Rubik's Cube at all. It's a snake, and it's a green and white one. And I also have a red and white one. I rate this a 10 out of 10. It's pretty cool. And guys, if you want to know my favorite one out of all of them, it would be... these are really hard to push out. Okay, now it's easier. But my favorite out of all of them is... drumroll, please. The Fidget Cube, the Infinity Cube, and the Pop Tubes. The Pop Tubes are a loud fidget, and I like loud fidgets. And I like how they can connect to each other. Okay, wow, I love this. Okay, guys, here we have my mom, and she's gonna rate my fidget toys. So
I already know what I like.
We all know you like them.
I could hear these.
But we're gonna rate from this way to that way. All of them. So here are the marble and meshes. So
I don't even like those.
You haven't even played with them.
Oh.
Stop playing. Stop.
I like this.
Okay.
It's like...
Go. Okay, you can have it at the end.
Oh, a marble in a mesh. Ooh, this is so fun. It's just going back and forth. Look at the marble. 0. I cannot.
Okay. What about these monkey noodles? You stretch them.
Oh, this could be like a good... You're in a meeting. You need to move your body. You can't even see me. It's like, what is happening here? Okay. These are nice little, like, roll them over. Yeah, I could see that. These are 6.
Okay.
Ooh, I like that squeezy.
I know you're going to rate this as a 0, but I rated a 6 because I like it.
What does this do?
You squeeze it.
It doesn't even feel like a stress ball. You have a basketball thing? That's a stress... like
this is an extra, I think.
All right, 3.
Okay. Triple dimple.
Oh, this is the fake fidget spinner.
She called it a fake fidget spinner. I mean, it kind of is.
I like the simple dimples. This is definitely a 7.
Okay, pretty good.
What did you rate that?
I rated a 10 out of 10. I rated everything a 10.
You always rate everything
except for
10 out of
this.
10. You literally like all of them. You're like, oh, this is a 10 out of 10.
Okay, now the
You know
Pop-It.
I like this. I like Pop-Its, but
And this is a good one because on both sides it's easy to pop.
I only like the loud Pop-Its. So apparently on YouTube world, y'all like this stuff because she's watching some video and the girl's like, if you like my video, I'm going to pop it for you. And I'm like, what? If I get 50 likes, I'll pop it. And then she's like, oh, 50 likes. And this one here, I'm like, you got this. Like, what are you doing? She's like, thanks, guys. And when I get another 50, I'm going to pop it again.
And then she'd be like, oh, 100.
100. So, let's stop. You hear that, guys? I know y'all like this.
And then, no, she did this also. She was like, pretend to pop it.
So, I'm going to give y'all that.
She
knows that I like these, and I like the different colors, so this is a 10.
Okay. What do you rate these snakes?
And y'all gonna see my hand. We're not editing all of that. I don't have time.
What are you gonna rate these?
Oh, this is neat.
It's like a wacky track.
Listen to that noise. I kind of like this little movement.
What do you rate it?
I like this one now.
A 10 out of 10?
Yeah.
Ooh!
You can create stuff with it. Move it around. Okay. Yes.
Okay.
I know.
So, next we have this puzzle ball. Cute thingy. There's a ball in it somewhere. Oh, and you have to, like, make it... Oh, God. Fell. Try this one. So important to get all of them in the right spot, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
I really like this peacock cover.
Oh, I don't like these kind of things. It's too much work for a little ball and not enough control.
Okay.
0.
Here's my mochis.
What do they do? Oh, this feels squishy.
I like the starfish.
I like the texture of these. I mean,
they get dirty fast, though.
I'm sure they pick up everything. If we get 50 likes, we'll show you a mochi. Mochi?
Yeah.
Mochi.
There's 2 of these.
It looked like a flying bear.
Okay, next.
Okay.
Wait, what do you rate them?
4.
Okay. You pop it like this.
That looks disgusting. It's actually hard a little bit.
It is.
I don't like this. This is a 2.
Me neither. I give it a...
They can get a 1 in my book. I do like these things.
Oh, it's getting easier.
Oh, maybe it needs to loosen up.
Yeah. Okay, come on.
Right,
Next.
Oh, is this the infinite? What do you do with these?
So look, it keeps going infinity, like...
Oh, snap! Yeah. Wait, let me...
I like these because they're very satisfying. They just keep going on and on and on. What do you rate it?
This is definitely a 9.5.
I give it a 10.
Actually, it's probably better than one of the ones. What else did I give a 10? No, only this.
And the Pop-It.
And then whatever those things are called.
Pop tubes.
I like this.
Okay, next. You can play with it later.
We know what wacky tracks are.
What do you rate it? It only makes noise when you keep playing with it.
Wacky tracks get a 7.
When I played with the first ones, they didn't make any noise. They were like this.
Okay, these are 7 in my book.
Okay. Next, we have...
We did these things.
Yeah.
What are these?
You flip them like this.
So just flip it around.
Like this. Yeah. They're bike chains.
Y'all see this?
I
What you think?
like them.
I know you do, because I could hear you. I was working. She's talking about, I give that a 10 out of 10. My baby gonna give everything a 10 out of 10. You hear me? You're not a baby? Oh.
No, like, I don't give everything a 10.
What did you eat? The only thing, because you knew these were whack. What you get these? You gave them a 10.
I like them. I like them because they have more space.
Okay. I don't. These
Okay.
are like a
So
5.
here's what you do with these.
Those are 5.
Give me.
These are 5.
Give me.
Oh, this could be a good. Ooh, I like the
They break
sensation.
easily, but then you just pull this part apart. But don't pull it apart.
I'm not gonna do that. It actually gives like a nice
Massage.
Mm-hmm. I like these. This is a 10.
Me too.
I didn't expect to like these. I thought these looked stupid.
What did you think you did with them?
I didn't know. I thought you poured them. Like something like that. You've been writing all day at work or typing.
This is
writing
a nice
at school.
thing.
This is like.
I have a cozy fidgets corner and a cozy reading corner mixed. Because I put all my fidgets under my books.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay,
That's
next. We all know what you rate these.
Yep, and this is it. Then I gotta go. You need to go too.
Yep.
We're gonna do this one more time.
It's good. Big grill.
How you connected them?
Oh, you have to use the bigger end. 3, 2, 1. How did you do it? It didn't let me.
You didn't let me.
Look, watch.
You the one who told me. You're pulling too hard. Did you connect it on the right end?
Yeah.
Yours don't even sound right.
I like
Try
the
a different end.
Oh, look.
Try this one.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. I was really excited to get these.
Three, 2, 1. You had them on the wrong end. Okay. Close it out.
Okay, I rate these a 10 too. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And follow me on Instagram at Lauren the Amazing _. And follow me on TikTok at Lauren the Amazing _. And yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!